So Losar festival is the in the Arunachal Pradesh. Losar festival in the Arunachal Pradesh, Tibetan New Year. Losar festival in the Arunachal Pradesh. Wait. Yeah, Losar festival in the Arunachal Pradesh is Mahayana sect of Buddhism like the Shedu, Penda and Khamba and Memba, Monpa tribes. So Memba, Momba, Khamba tribes was in the Losar festival spread over the 3 days begin 11 February. So it's offering the Lamo or the Dharmpala who is considered the high priced called the Gyalpo Losar, past and present king of community. Remember the honored. So it was the Dharampala offering to the community and Cho Kyong Losar. It's the cheerful parts of festival. Sindhi festival is Chalio Sahib. Chalio Sahib is the Lord Julelal for the 40 days and after the last over they celebrate the occasion of Thanksgiving Day. So it's a Hindu prayer of Varun Devta, god of water, observing the Pinas bank of river of uh, 40 days. So it's a Varun Devta's prayer promised to the save them from the tyrant. Cheti Chand is the Sindhi New Year and it's the birth of Julelal. It's celebrated with the gaiety by the Sindhi community. So Jot, Mishri and Fota all akha to the near river of Julelal is also carried along. Parsi festival is the Zoroastrian Jamshedi Navroz. So Roj Hormuz is the Parsi community is the Shehanshani calendar. So Khorshid is Meher Yajna is the divine being of the harbinger of sun. So visit each of the visit fire temple. Other festival is Parsi. Now next is the Gangor festival. So Joros no Diso, Khordad Sal and Pateti. Some festivals are in the that time Zoroastrian. Now the secular festival is the Gangor festival, that is festival among all the most important spring festival, and it is the most popular celebration in the Rajasthan. Has a root in the medieval of Rajput. So community as a whole is respective religion celebrates it's a Gauri Parvati celebrating the Lord Shiva. So it's a good husband and married woman for the welfare, good health. Now, Khajuraho Temple of the Dance. So it's a Madhya Pradesh Kala Parishad. So it's a promote the tourism also, and the festival is also supposed to reflect the spirit of eternal glory, preservance of the dance, architecture, and monuments. New Year is the Lord Brahma. So New Year festival is creation of word this day, hence it's used to mark the beginning of new Hindu calendar. Now Guddi Padwa is in the Maharashtra. Guddi Padwa. So it's Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka where the Guddi Padwa Guddi Padwa is in the Maharashtra and Ugadi. Ugadi is the very like Chaitya Shuddhan Padyani. Padyani and Ugadi is in the this area. So it's a Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka area. There is a Padyani and Ugadi. This is the festival, and the Guddi Parva is the in the Maharashtra, and Samvatvar Padvo. Samvatvar Padvo is in Goa. Samvatvar Padvo is in Goa. Nabba Barsha. Nabba Barsha is the Polia Boshak. So Nabba Barsha is in the West Bengal, and Puthandu is the Tamil Nadu. Puthandu. Puthandu is in the Tamil Nadu and Pongal is also in the Tamil Nadu. Okay, and the Nabba Barsha is in the West Bengal. Vishu is the Kerala. So Vishu festival is in the Kerala. Tej is the festival celebrated in northern India, Shravan, July and August. So women household who apply mehendi and hands and wear the clothes. It's for the husband also obviously. So Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, there is a Kajali Tej, Haryali Tej, Hartalika Tej. Shere Gulfaroshan. It's Old Delhi annual festival of flowers. Shere Gul Faroshan is Old Delhi community harmony communal harmony festival. Now, Ardana. Tyagraj Aradhana is the Samadhi day of the famous Tamil saint of Tyagraj. So, near the Thanjavur bank river of Kaveri, festival is known as Tyagraj Aradhana. Okay, now Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the bond of protection, brother and sister. So it's a prosperity and it takes place to protect their sister and by the evil. Onam is in the Kerala. Onam festival. Onam is the harvest festival. It is also celebrated to the homecoming of mighty Asura king of Mahabali Patala. So elaborate a feast, dance, flower, boats, elephants. Colorful, vibrant festival of Onam is Valmiki. The most popular Valmiki is held the Punamala Lake. Now Pongal is in the Tamil harvest festival celebrated from the 13th to 16th century. It's a word Pongal means to boil. Tamil and boiling of first rice in the important ritual obeyed during the festival. So it's a various crop rice, sugarcane, turmeric. Sarhul is the new year of the tribal of Jharkhand. It is mainly celebrated by the Munda Orao Ho tribe. Worship of the Sal. It is celebrated in the spring season. Nature and great relevance of Mother Earth worshipping during the festival. Sarhul festival, New Year of tribal of Jharkhanda. Sarhul festival in the Jharkhanda. Okay, Jharkhand. And it's worshipped during the festival Sahul celebrated for the several day of during which the main tradition of dance Sarhul performed. Sagadawa. Sagadawa is the Sikkim. It's celebrated on the full moon day of the fall of middle of the Tibetan lunar months called the Sagadawa. It's a Tibetan community. This fall between the May and June, and this month is called the Sagadawa, month of the merits. Enlightenment and birth and deaths of Buddha. So it's three teaching of Buddhism: generosity, morality, and meditation. Is Sagadawa festival that is for the Buddha and month of merit. So it's a Gompa monastery and chant mantra, religious tax, prayer of wheels. So it's a Buddhist community. And Sikkim Losung festival is the Sikkim New Year. Losung is harvest season and locally brewed wine chung. So Losul festival is mentioned earlier. Major occupation in the state of Sikkim in agriculture, and it is the celebration of harvest season. So it is the charm dance and the black hat dance of the monastery. And the spirit also reflect the warrior sentiment of the Sikkim community. Bihu festival is in the Assam, held celebrating the Assami New Year. And although the Assamese celebrate the Bihu thrice in the year, and Bohang and the Bihu is the Bohang Rongali Bihu, Kati Bongali Bihu, and Magh Bongali Bihu is in the Assam. And changing the season of the harvest. So it is the Gamosa is the cotton towel which is used in that, and pitha is the traditional dish of the rice powder and flour sesame. So it's the harvest festival of the Assam Bihu. Now Hornbill festival, that is in Nagaland. Here is the Nagaland. So it is Hornbill festival is the Kisama heritage village. So it's a tribe showcase their talent, culture, and throw costume, weapon, arrow, and clan. So it's eating competition. Kohima and where is displayed. Kharchi Puja. Kharchi Puja is in Tripura. So this is Tripura. Here is the Kharchi Puja for the royal family of Tripura. Lord Shiva, who had ordered the people worship 14 deities. So it's the Puran Haveli situated at the old Agartala. So these organize the cultural program, fair, and festival. Cheroba festival is in Manipur. It's a Manipur. Here is the Cheroba festival. They are celebrating the Cheroba festival. So Cheroba festival is the new year of Sanamahi worship the Manipuri people. This festival usually conducted the temple of Sanamahi, but every household clean by new utensil. And Chahitaba is the responsible sin of people for the entire year. So it's climb on the nearest hill. Now Wangala festival. So Wangala festival is the Garo tribe is the Meghalaya. So it's a beginning of winter and it's celebration of north of the post harvest season. So Wangala festival is in the Meghalaya, and it's Mishi Sajlong, a local deity considered to be the generous. He were supposed to be force behind the good things that happened to the community. So Wangala festival is in the Meghalaya and Garo tribe. Celebrating this 100 drum of Wangala festival featured the headgear of Nokma, performance of several ritual offering of deity, several freshly brewed beer, cooked rice and vegetable. Kangchingaba. Kangchingaba is in the Manipur state and similar to the Jagannath Puri of Rath Yatra. So Kangchingaba is the 8 day of festival celebrated month of the July. So its festival include the Rath Yatra, which reenact the journey of Lord Jagannath along with his the Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra. So its festival attract thousands of devotees from all the India and Imphal to the part of journey. So Yatra begin from the very famous holy temple of Sri Govinda Ji and the idol carved the wood and heavily decorated carved around the massive chariots. So there is a Chingba temple in the Manipur and it's a state of Manipur similar to the Jagannath Puri Yatra. Chingba in the Manipur. Okay, Ambubachi Mela is in the Kamakhya temple of Assam. So it's a Mahakumbha of East fertility ritual and tantric activism was there. Goddess Kamakhya said to be undergoing her annual menstrual cycle of goddess during the period. So number of incidents is the tantric activity. Sekrenli festival. Sekrenli festival in the again Nagaland. Sekrenli festival. It's a Angami tribes of the Nagaland. Angami tribes of the Nagaland is the Sekrenli temple festival. Well cleaned their house. Coke is strange to death with the bare hands, and further if the right leg of the coke falls first, it's supposed to be bring good luck. So it's a bridge pulling or gate pulling ceremony during the festival. All world of the field of the stop and the 10 day it is resume again. Majuli festival is in Assam. Festival is organized to as is the best considering the altering the climatic condition of Assam. So Department of Culture under the State of Ministry of Assam organized the various events during the festival like seminars. So it's a Majuli festival of the Assam. Department of Culture festival is organized huge scale of the open space of Majuli, Assam displayed the several arts and crafts, bamboo architects and shawl jewelry. Now Lui Nagai Ni festival. Lui Nagai Ni in the Naga tribe. So it's the end of harvest season, seed sowing season. So peace and harmony is the main Lui Nagai Ni festival is in Nagaland. Dri festival is in the Arunachal Pradesh. Apatani tribe of the Arunachal Pradesh celebrate the Dri festival. Dri festival Apatani tribes of the Arunachal Pradesh. So it's a Tamu, Methi, Daini and harvesting. Harning is the main community living there for the cucumber distribution in the Dri festival and it's a harvesting festival also. Next is the Kumbh Mela. So Kumbh Mela is very important. So Kumbh Mela is the auspicious Hindu pilgrimage site Allahabad, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. It's a Hindu mythology during the Samudra Manthan, churning the ocean. Amrita drink of the importantly was produced in short Kumbha. So battle of Deva Asura, Lord Vishnu drop Amrit while transporting the Kumbha. So Mela is held once in a 3 year and different place at the given place and after a time interval of the 12 year. Nasika and Ujjain if the Mela is held when the planet Leo is called the Simhatha Kumbha. So at the Haridwar, Allahabad and Ardha Kumbha Mela is held every 6th year of Mahakumbha. So it's the Allahabad, then Haridwara, then Nasik and then Ujjain. So at the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna, Ganga, Godavari and Shipra. Sonepur Mela, it's a Mela of Asia. It's held Sonepur, Bihar at the confluence of river Ganga and Gandak. It's usually take place in the November of the Kartik Purnima, a day considered auspicious day of Hindu. Chitra Vichitra Fair. Chitra Vichitra Fair is the tribal fair in Gujarat and it's a Garasia Bhil tribes are traditional costume showcase the local tribes culture on the Amavasya. After Holi, the tribes women go to a river to the mourn for their near and dear departed one. So festival is start from the next day and dance performance best of the rural handicraft. Shamlaji Fair. Shamlaji Fair is the tribal community in the Gujarat to reveal the Lord Shamlaji. Bhils have the immense faith in the power of Shamlaji, who have lovingly called Kalio Dev, and it's also week of month of November with the Kartik Purnima and the most important day of the fair of Shamlaji Fair in the tribal of Gujarat. Pushkar Fair is the Camel and Cattle Fair in the Pushkar, Rajasthan. Shamlaji Fair is in the Gujarat and the Pushkar Fair in the Ajmer. So festival actually begins events of the camel race and mustaq competition, turban competition, dancing, camel riding. This dessert festival is the Jaisalmer, and it's a showcase the vibrant culture of Rajasthan. It's give the tourist local flavor of showcase different facet of Rajasthani culture. Among the golden sand of the Rajasthan, tourists can enjoy the colorful folk dance and trying to competition. So dessert festival in the Jaisalmer is very famous. Now Kolayat fair is in Kapil Muni. Kettle fair is also organized in the tourist in Kartik Purnima, so it's in Bikaner. Surajkund craft fair in the Haryana, Faridabad, so it's international craft and cultural heritage. Sculpture, weaving, pottery, embroidery, paper, bamboo, and craft. Ganga Sagar Mela, it's in Bengal, and this Gange, especially the day of Makar Sankranti, is considered very auspicious day of Hindu. Goa Carnival is the Portuguese introduced the Goa Carnival in India, so it's in the Goa Carnival Festival for the Goa heritage culture and distinct Portuguese influence. So this today for the fair and festivals. Hope you enjoyed this.